Does your iPhone 8 Plus keeps forgetting your Wi-Fi network? No need to worry. Here's an easy and quick tutorial to fix your iPhone keep forgetting your Wi-Fi network issue. So, let's move on to the action. Solution 1. Forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect it. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Wi-Fi, now tap the eye icon, then tap Forget this network. After that, tap Forget and reconnect again. If you still have the same problem, follow the next method. Solution 2. Delete saved Wi-Fi password from the device and rejoin Wi-Fi again. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Password, scroll down and find your Wi-Fi. Swipe right side, then tap Delete. After that, delete password. Solution 4. Stop syncing and resyncing. Go to Settings, tap Apple ID. Now tap on iCloud, then tap Password and Keychain. Turn off syncing, turn it back on again. Hopefully, the problem of forgetting your Wi-Fi network on your iPhone should be solved. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button, and if you have any kind of questions, please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.